OnlyFans chatting strategy. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going over one of the biggest money makers on OnlyFans, and that is the chatter, which we do in the DMs. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below, or at least just give the video a thumbs up. It absolutely helps the channel so I can continue to make as much useful information for you guys so you can grow your business. And if you are looking for any type of help growing your business, promotional services, Twitter management services, Reddit management services, coaching to really learn all of the ways to manage your business correctly to make the most money, reach out to me on Instagram. That direct link is down below, and my direct Telegram link is down below if you want to directly reach out to me there. So let's get started. So the chatting or chatter on OnlyFans and even on Fanvue is the best way for you guys to make money. That is where in my coaching services that I offer my clients, I go over this in detail because this is where you can really connect with your fans. You can build trust. You can, get them to basically love you even more than they already do, and that's why they subscribe to your page. And you are able to milk and drain your fans, that is OnlyFans terminology, to basically make as much money as you possibly can off of your fans, but it is of a mutual benefit, okay? So this is one thing that is actually the biggest piece of advice that I give during my coaching calls, and really the best way for you guys to make money. So do not fall asleep on this. Now, for the real newbies and beginners, if you are not one, well, you just have to sit through the next 35 seconds. There is actually capabilities on OnlyFans where you can send out mass messages. So you will send out one message, but it will go to all of your fans. And for some of you, yes, you may already know this, but I have so many clients when we are doing our one-to-one coaching calls that I will ask them what they are doing for mass messages, and they're chatting and chatter, and they do not even know that they have that capability. So please, 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 guys, and I also say this to my clients, is you have to really go through every single setting on OnlyFans. This is a business, and something that I tell, again, my clients is, if you were a chef and you opened up a restaurant, would you not check everything in your kitchen and utilize every tool? It's the same exact concept. You have to change your mindset and understand that this is your business, and you should be taking it serious. So with that being said, you guys really should be going over the back end of OnlyFans, all the capabilities that you have, go through every single setting. Now, again, make sure you are subscribed and you check out all of my previous videos because I actually have videos for that for you, but I highly implore you do that. So sending messages every single day is something that you guys should be doing. You should be sending PPV messages, and then you just should be sending out random messages to all of your fans in a mass message to start up a conversation. And for those of you that think you are, I want to say, a little kind of too good to talk to your fans if they don't tip you first, you are losing out and leaving so much money on the table, okay? Do not have that option where, do not accept messages from fans, unless they tip you. Because you have to understand that, yes, you might get a fan that paid $5 or $10 subscription price, but if you actually know how to work your chatter and your DMs correctly, you can make hundreds and thousands off of just one single fan if you are doing this correctly. So that is another very, very big piece of advice that I want to say. You are the ones that should be initiating the conversation in the chat every single day. So your strategy is going to be to make sure that you are always available and you are always being active in your chatter, in your DMs. So PPVs, even if you have a paid subscription page, I still always recommend my clients, and this is some more free advice for you guys, is having even just a lower subscription price so you can make sure that you can still send PPV content in the DMs. If you are super new and you don't know what PPVs are, check out my other videos because I literally give you guys so much advice from soup to nuts, from start to finish, on how you grow your OnlyFans and all of the different methods. After that though, I want you to at least once a day send out a mass message to your fans. Now, what I always tell my clients in our coaching calls is you have to kind of also navigate your page with the amount of fans that you have on the page, okay? So as you grow, your activity should also grow on your page. So let's just say you have like 2 to 50 fans right now on your page. I want you to be sending that one mass DM a day. But for any of my clients that have 50 and then more fans on your page, you should be sending out at least 2 mass DMs a day. And then I have clients that have even more than that, and you really should be sending at least 5 mass DMs a day. And we will get into why all of that in other videos. So right now it is just about the DM strategy right now. So with that mass DM that you are going to be sending, and again, you're just going to use, just knowledge about, okay, looking at how many fans I have, how many mass DMs I should be sending a day. Your PPVs are going to be one of them, but starting that conversation, that line of communication is how you are going to be able to make your money. And the reason, is because you are going to be trying to milk and drain your fans through sexting. So a lot of fans do not know this, a lot of my clients do not know this, and I'm literally giving you information that my clients pay for, okay, in our coaching calls. And that is that there is actually 13 different ways to make money on OnlyFans, on your OnlyFans page. Sexting is one of them, but there is actually 2 separate ways to make it. There is the way that your clients reach out and, your fans reach out and they're like, hey, do you offer sexting? And you give them a base price. The second way is through the chatter and chatting with a sexting script, where you are sending out those mass DMs to just start up a conversation, and you do not have to overthink this. You don't have to think it has to be some grand caption that you need to send out. No, you can literally just say, hey babe, or hey baby, or hey, are you online right now? Or hey, wanna play? Literally, you could just send any of that, or even just like a random good morning, how are you? It's to open up that line of communication. And when that happens is when you can now go into what we call a sexting script, and you can drain and milk your fans. So I will give you some examples. I cannot give you all of them. We are on YouTube, and this is just for educational purposes. You will have to reach out for my coaching services to get the full script and dialogue, but I will just give you some examples. You're gonna send out that mass DM. Your fan is going to respond. You are then going to respond with, oh, I'm just home, feeling a bit lonely, wanted some company. They will respond again. After that is you are going to start sending locked, spicy content, okay? And you are going to keep this line of communication and this conversation going as if you are sexting them, but they did not pay up front. You are going to be milking and draining them through this conversation. So you send the first locked content, they unlock it, they're gonna respond with, you're so beautiful, you're so amazing. Then you will continue the conversation, send them again another PPV locked piece of content, and that is how that conversation will go. And that is how you can potentially make hundreds of dollars per day by being active in your chats, okay? Now, some very useful information that I also give my paid clients that you are getting right here on YouTube. And that is, unfortunately, with every business, there is freeloaders and time wasters. So please, guys, if you have a fan that is not unlocking after the second time, you will either say, why aren't you unlocking? Do you not like me? Something along those lines. If you say that and you call them out that they are not unlocking your content and they do not respond, then you are not going to send them anything else, okay? Because at this point, they're just not trying to get free interaction with you, which is not what we are doing, because we never give stuff away for free on OnlyFans, okay, guys? It is a business. You don't go to the supermarket and they just give you stuff for free because you walked in the door. As much as we would like that with the prices of groceries at this point. So very, very big helpful tip with that as well. If they are not unlocking, then you are not wasting your time. But for the fans that do unlock and they are active with you, you are going to continue being active with them. So I hope this was helpful, guys. If you really master this process, this is how you can really make those big bucks on OnlyFans and how high earning models make money every single day. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you want help learning how to perfect this strategy, reach out to me on either Instagram, directly on Telegram. Again, those links are in the video description for your convenience. And until next time, guys, bye.